The Wizards 12 Big Throw Mini Polisher and Scratch and Swirl Removal Kit, also referred to as the SSR Kit, work together so you can cut, polish, and wax your vehicle. It'll remove 3,000 grit and finer sand scratches in a few easy steps. The Wizards 12 Big Throw Mini Polisher has a 12mm orbit to quickly and easily buff the surface of your vehicle. Remove scratches and correct imperfections with professional results in no time with the Big Throw Mini. With the SSR Kit, you can cut, polish, and wax all of your detailing work with a simple, straightforward system. To begin, always carefully center the pad onto the backing plate. For scratch and swirl removal, start with the Mystic Cut compound and apply the product generously to the microfiber pad. Hold the pad flat to the surface and work a 2 foot by 2 foot or smaller section in a crossing pattern using light pressure. Move the machine slowly across the surface, overlapping by 50% on each pass. Remove residue with the microfiber cloth immediately to view the results. Repeat as needed. Once the deeper scratches and swirls are eliminated, you are ready for the polishing step. Using the orange polishing pad and the same Mystic Cut compound, proceed to follow the same process until all light haze and micro scratches are eliminated. Reapply product as needed, using only drops once the pad is wet and seasoned. Never run the pads dry, as they may heat up and shorten the life of the pad. After the polishing process is complete and the surface is wiped clean with a microfiber cloth, you can proceed to the final step. Use the gray wax pad with the Mystic Nano Wax. Once again, center the pad and apply the product to the pad. This step requires less material, but it is important to use enough to wet the pad. A light spray of water can help here if desired. No pressure is required. Hold the pad flat and overlap for a couple passes. Using the Wizards 12 Big Throw Mini is perfect for tight contours and small areas, and with the 4-inch pad, even larger areas. This easy 3-step process will help you to achieve professional results. Wizards products work together to remove scratches, correct imperfections, and give your vehicle an extreme gloss finish. For more information on Wizards products and to order the Wizards Big Throw Mini Polisher and SSR Kit, visit wizardsproducts.com. Make it shine.